Coat, and you're just gonna walk down and do it, okay? Come here, John. Let me undo your coat first, turkey trot. Shoot, you've got this shirt on underneath here. Okay, you're just gonna have to try to pull it down and put your beanie out of that. Yep, they kind of go in the trees. A little bit further back. Keep going. Cookie, please.
Oh,
Is he? Are you filming? Is it coming up? There you go. You're such a stud. Don't film me. Are you done? What?
no. Oh, no.
Good. Okay, Kai, hand me a cookie.
That was John.